We're gonna make a hole in the wall to attach our clippies to this wall so we can hang our floating pots. And to do that you're gonna need a drill with the right type of drill bit for the type of wall you're using. In this case we have a brick wall, so it's a solid wall. If you knock on the wall and you have a solid sound, it's probably brick or concrete, and if you have a hollow sound you probably have plasterboard or some other hollow material. So you have to use the right type of material and the right type of plugs based on your wall. So these are plugs specifically made for brick walls, nylon plugs, and you need also a drill bit that's made also for drilling into brick. So this one is a bit of a wider head, and the drill that I'm using has the hammer mode, so that means it's gonna make a much better hole in the brick. So to minimize the mess, I always use a bit of paper on the wall. So just like this, a simple piece of paper folded, and then I'll tape it just underneath where the hole is gonna be to catch the dust. So I use a piece of paper tape, so just a few centimeters below where you want your hole to be, which I marked here with a bit of paper tape, and then it's gonna catch most of the dust that comes off when you make the hole. When you have your plug, you can see a little bit how deep you have to put the plug into the wall, and that's also how deep you have to drill into the wall. So to make sure I don't drill too far, I'm also going to put a piece of tape on my drill bit to indicate until where I have to drill in. So here you can see I put the paper tape exactly until how deep the plug has to go in the wall. And now we drill. And I stop where my paper tape is hitting the wall, so then I know it's deep enough. When you take it out, a lot of dust will fall out, so you have to be careful. Make sure it all falls into your paper. Now we can remove a little paper mark and insert the nylon plug. Sometimes you need a hammer to tap it all the way in. And now you're ready to hang your clippy. So your clippy box comes with 5 different clips, and then inside the box you'll have the clips themselves, the instruction manual, and also a little bag of screws. We also have the corks that we use to plug the bottom of the pots. We already use some of them. So you're going to take one of the clips and one of the screws and assemble it on the wall. Now you have a solid connection with your wall, so you can hang your pot. Even if it's a heavy pot, it will not budge anywhere. Now I can remove my paper. Be careful, there's dust in it, so take it carefully off the wall so you don't make a mess everywhere. And that's the first one. This is one of the little clips we're going to use to attach to the wall. They're actually meant for cables, electrical cables. You have like 2 little plastic parts. You can turn them so that they close the loop here, and inside we're going to put the stem of the plant. And on the back side it's got double-sided tape, so you can remove the protection and then this goes to your wall. Of course, if you're renting, make a test first to make sure that it doesn't damage the paint on your wall when you remove it. So we're going to use all these little clips to attach the branches of our plant all above the wall and above the door opening to make a beautiful composition.